What's going on? It's your boy Cartoon Review, where we review anything that a consumer could buy. So today we're gonna be talking about the quote unquote AirPods 2. I don't understand what Apple be thinking sometimes, man. Like they come out with a new AirPods and they're making a big deal like, oh my god, this not a yo, y'all supposed to be the number one tech brand in the world, and y'all giving the consumer this kind of bull. Come on, man. Come on, Apple. All y'all did was flip it open, you get there faster. That's all y'all did basically. And then the big thing that you could buy the wireless charging for your case that comes together. I mean, I don't know if they realize like they have third brand, third other brands that you could buy for a third of the price that they selling it. Like, it's incredible. Like, I don't get it. Like, look, all right, the AirPods with the wireless charging case, $200. The regular one, and with the case, $159. That's the only good thing about it, is that they're not making you buy the whole thing. You could buy a separate case for $80. It's nothing special. Come on. If you're gonna like take money from the consumer, at least upgrade the battery. Y'all could upgrade the battery. I don't get it. I really don't understand it. Like, it don't say nothing. It's the same time battery. Ask for Siri. Only 10% of the people use Siri, and then they realize it doesn't work. It doesn't do nothing. They just go to Google. It's nothing like 2 times faster switching between. Nope. You think people really gonna think about, oh my god, it's 1 second? No. They don't, like, they didn't even redesign it. Nothing. Like, I could understand if they would have like put like the ear tips one that you could like at least have some security, like it will hold the AirPods like hold it in the ear. But no, it's the same. This is the same design. There's no difference, nothing different. It's the same BS. What else? The batteries. The number one thing is the battery. If they would have done the battery, like that's a number two. But it's really, they really just opened what they basically did, in my opinion. They opened up the AirPods, put something in it, close it up, and sold it. That's all they did. And then you want to consume. Yo, that's why I'm still with my iPhone 7, because I still feel like the X is not like, I'm not gonna spend $1,000 on it. I'm not, and I like Apple product, but I don't think they're not considering the consumer. That's why they're going down. Little by little, they're going down. If the next iPhone is not groundbreaking, I'm talking about like below the S10, and in the future, no, out of the world. I'm sorry, but the Apple brand is gonna go down. It's going down right now, but if they don't, it's going down further. Like, it's the same thing. You could charge it. As soon as if you take it off your ear and you put it in your case, there's a good chance you're not gonna take it out in 15 minutes. You're not. Usually is you on the train or on the bus ride, or you work, and then you can't even use these to work out because they're gonna be popping out. Unless you buy an accessory that hold it up in your ear, that's the only way. But by itself, it's pointless. And going back to the cases, look, I'm gonna go to Amazon. I'm gonna look up some AirPod wireless cases. Look, $27, $13, $18, $19, $25, $20. Like, I don't know what I don't know if Apple don't have somebody be like, hey, you know what? They already have the. I don't know. They could go to Amazon, buy a cheaper one. Like, I don't see, like, unless you don't have the AirPods, the first one, and you buy the second one, oh well, be it. But I don't think nobody should get this. Not even the case that they're selling for $80. Get out of here. You could buy three of these. I don't get it. Come on, Apple. Y'all, y'all could do so much better, man. You have so much money. You have so many people in your development team. Come on, man. Like it hurts me to say, but Apple been doing this for a long time, for a very long time, man. And the only reason is if when people start realizing like Apple's not worth it, trust me, they're gonna make some definite change. Like Samsung, you can see the difference between the S9 and the S10. You can see the difference. Can you see the difference between the X and the XS? No, same phone, the same exact phone. They just go inside, change something. That's it. And then now they want to charge your arm and a leg. I don't get it. Let me know in the comment below how you feel about it. If I have a point, if I don't have a point, let me know. Just let me know. I mean, I think I'm on, like, I make sense what I'm saying. That's basically it. I'm not gonna buy something that, like, I'm not gonna buy. That's like people buying, having the 7 and switching up to the 8. It's the same phone. It's nothing different. They haven't changed nothing. It's your boy Cartoon Review. Make sure you like this button, share, leave comments, subscribe to my channel. I'm doing my best to upload as much video as possible, but it is what it is. You have a good one. Peace.